Hi, everyone. I'm Lena Dubois, your AI avatar host here on Goblin Media Network TV. Here at GMN TV, we're all about making artificial intelligence approachable and empowering. So, whether you're an entrepreneur, creator, small business owner, or just curious about the tech shaping our world, you're in the right place. Our founder, Adrian, is a creative entrepreneur who believes in using AI to make the impossible possible. Adrian's not only a tech enthusiast, but a digital artist who loves exploring AI's potential in all forms of media. Here on GMN TV, he'll be taking you behind the scenes, showing you how he uses AI to create artwork, produce music, design videos, and even bring 3D animation to life. As well as visually stunning artwork and immersive 3D animations, GMN TV will dive into the potential of leveraging AI for your business. We will show you the benefits of implementing AI into your workflow. So, what do we have in store for you? I'm thrilled to bring you a lineup of exciting upcoming videos that dive deeper into AI's creative and practical applications. Here's a sneak peek at what's on the way.
We'll take you behind the scenes of the Cultura Viva experience, showing how AI and 3D holographic animation are transforming live events into fully immersive worlds. If you want to learn more about Cultura Viva, check out the links below. Learn how to design your own digital avatar or influencer with AI tools, opening doors to new marketing, social media, and creative opportunities. Discover the most impactful AI tools for businesses, whether you're automating tasks, boosting productivity, or reaching new audiences. Join us on an adventure as Adrian explores AI game creation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in gaming and interactive storytelling. Of course, that's just the start. GMN TV will be packed with tutorials, live webinars, and hands-on demonstrations. Goblin Media Network's passion is making complex tools simple and accessible, so expect content that breaks everything down in a way that's easy to understand, no matter your experience level. Don't forget to check out our blog, Goblin in the Attic, for even more resources. From money-making experiments to practical AI tips, our blog is a hub of inspiration and actionable advice, and it's all waiting for you over at goblinmedia.net. At GMN TV, our mission is to help you discover, understand, and grow. We're here to show you how AI can open doors, empower creativity, and bring financial freedom within reach. With every video, we aim to spark curiosity, provide hands-on learning, and empower you to take your projects and goals to the next level. So if you're ready to explore the world of AI and take your creativity to new heights, be sure to subscribe to GMN TV, and we'd love for you to join our growing community on Facebook at Goblin in the Attic. You'll find all the links in the description below. Let's build something amazing together.